I bought this flat about 4.5 years ago. It was in a completely different state to what it currently is. So where we are at the moment was a bedroom, and it was overlooking the street, and that didn't really make sense to me because I just felt like this should be the living room because of the windows. It's a one-bedroom apartment. It's about 450 square foot, but I can have 8 to 10 people in this living room quite comfortably, which is really nice. I am a lawyer / writer. I've been living in London my whole life, and I've been living in this area for about 4.5 years. I have a dog called Nipsy, and he's about 15 months old. For everyone viewing this is crazy Nipsy. He's very excited about the story of his flat. This area is amazing. So I'm sort of Canterbury, Newington Green, Borders, Highbury, sort of at the cross section of all of these areas, and I can walk to Upper Street in Islington in about 20 minutes. Highbury is like 5 minutes away. Stoke Newton Church Street's about 10 minutes away. Then you've got Dalston, just also about 10 minutes away. So it's like a really nice spot that's very leafy, and if you want the crazy lifestyle, I don't know, nightlife of Dalston, that's around the corner too. And yeah, I absolutely love it. It's just so well connected. I would say the whole vision for this apartment started because of the windows. I have an amazing architect on board called Pablo Sanchez Lopez, and he really designed the whole space. And the only brief I gave is that I sort of wanted it to be quite minimalist but soulful at the same time, and kind of maintaining the integrity of the building because it's an old Victorian building, high ceilings, so something that would work with that. And then in terms of interiors, I love white just because I find it really calming and peaceful, but I also wanted to add a bit of character and soul to that. I guess the style is very kind of Bohemian Scandi. That over there is it's a 9 Elms footstool that I bought quite a few years ago. And then the sofas are just, to be honest, like good old made and John Lewis stuff. But then the art piece is from a designer that I got off the Saatchi Gallery. The lamp over there is vintage. I think it's probably like 40 years old. It was on my dad's desk. My favourite part of the apartment is probably the windows, and from the bedroom there's a certain angle through which you can kind of see that window. There's like a really nice through line, and also the bathroom. There wasn't a lot of space, but I really wanted a bathtub, and so I've got a Japanese sinking tub in, which is like a small bathtub that's really deep.
I love that.
Yeah, so we had to just like be a bit innovative in our thinking because it really wasn't that much space, and how do you maximize the space so that's still social, get everything that you need.
Tell me a little bit about the bedroom design.
I really wanted a clean white space, and it's still quite a small space, especially after we put the fitted wardrobes in, and to really brighten space up and just give it that illusion of being bigger than what it actually is. It's about just having the walls, mirrors on the wall where the bed is facing, and that just gives the illusion that the space is much bigger. It's quite nice just having mirrors there when you're getting ready, and it's full length.
Every girl needs one.
Yeah, exactly. can't have too many plants, and I agree with that. They really do warm a space up. They purify the air. They just give you that sense of well-being. So that's sort of a palm-inspired plant. And the bigger one is a banana tree.
As someone who's gone through the process of completely renovating your apartment with the help of an architect and designing it yourself, do you have any tips for our viewers?
It's important to figure out how to make the space work for you. And because I lived in the space as it was previously for a while, I could really sort of see what needed to be changed. And you know, one was getting a bigger living room so that I have more space to socialise and call my friends over. Storage in a small space is key. While this was getting renovated, I moved to a place that was sort of a 2/3 bed, and I was surprised when I moved back in here how much more storage I have here than I did there. High five. Good boy.